Hi everyone, it's Carolyn, and today we're fishing for striped bass with Captain Joey LEGGIO. It's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited for this trip. It's a little bit rainy out and foggy and stuff, but that's alright. So we're just waiting for some fish to bite. We're just trolling. One of our friends got a fish on, so we're just waiting. It's really about patience. We're washing the rods right here. I'm all strapped in case we get a big one on.
Got it? There you go.
Yeah. I got one. I got one. I got one. I think he's still on.
I don't know if you are.
Yeah.
You are?
I don't know.
I think he's off.
Yeah.
There he's off. Alright. I'm on.
Oh.
I'm on a spoon. I'm on.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure it's hooked. There you go. Take a better fish, I think, on that one. Okay, that's gonna be a little harder for you.
I can't.
Get everything out of the way. Big fish. Hold that bending rod straight up.
Okay.
Can you get the other rod? Big fish.
This is definitely oversought.
Real. Don't give him any slack to lose him.
You got him? The biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. Okay. Oh wow.
Okay.
Ow, he's crunching.
You got it. Let me get my phone. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna push him right out. 1, 2, 3. Here he goes.
Yay! Goodbye, buddy.
Let him swim away.
Have a great life. Alright, we're just wrapping it up for today. I'm beyond exhausted from reeling in that fish. It's a lot of work. And like, I'm like shaking right now. I can't believe I got a really big fish. So yeah, if you really enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe by clicking the big red subscribe button below the video. Thank you.